So we're learning to jump to a tidy number using a number line to solve our equations. So have a look at this. Here's an example. AJ was going to visit his grandma in India. 17 of the 61 days he had to wait had passed. How many more days did he have to wait? So you can see we're trying to find out how many days. So we've got our 17 days had already passed out of his 61. Okay, so we need to find out, this is our question, how many days. So we can go 17 plus 3 to make it tidy, to make it 20, and from 20 we can follow this line here and we can go to 60. And then we still need one more, so then we can add another 1 to 61. Okay, so our answer would be plus 3, plus 40, plus 1, so 44. So 17 plus 44 equals 61. Okay, or you can do it, if you don't need to add the 1, you can actually make it a little bit more simpler for yourself. But maybe start off simple for starters until you're happy with how you're going.